dangerous blue jets appear in the sky. It was in 2019 that first we noticed such a thing. International Space Station, or Zarya as it is called in Russian, main part of it is Russian anyway, observed strange jets appearing like lightning, a blue ray, upward from the earth clouds toward the sky. And you see the video here actually, and you saw also still images about that. We have tried to understand what was going on. It was reported in the past such blue jets, but we couldn't really confirm them. It seems one explanation that is put forward for this is that they are extremely charged clouds getting very close in the sky, means around several kilometers, together in respect to each other, and then electric discharge between them shooting upward. Why it go upward, we don't know. The height of this is very high, of course, 16 kilometers.